Hello guys, welcome to my singing angler channel. My name is Oleg. I'm a fishing guide and expert living now in Prague, Czech Republic. And today I'm going to show you a very special lure called driftfry from the company Jackall and test it for perch fishing. So let's start together. By the way, today is very common November weather, rainy, cold, very nasty, but I hope fish will cooperate. As you may see in the very first video on this channel with an inflatable boat on a big water reservoir where I fished with my friend also Oleg, we got some nice fish over there. So I hope today they will also make some noise and bite very well. So this lure is made in two different sizes. It's 3 inches and 4 inches. I think all of you know this logo, famous Japanese company Jackall, which makes very nice lures for different fishing. And this lure is generally made for bass fishing. And very unique detail of this lure is this lip. Look at that, which provides a rolling action. Here you can see also. I had quite a nice trip to Sweden, to Gothenburg, and caught some nice perches. So I will leave a link in the description. You can, in this corner, you might check it. So first I'm going to check this lure on this classical jig head, and then test different rigs, because now it's still November and fish perhaps won't cooperate for jig head because it's for active action. And I will also try fishing on the river below the dam and on the small lake. So let's see what's going to happen. Alright, I made a couple of casts, but I suppose I didn't have any bite on a classical jig head. So I will use something like Carolina rig or paternoster with this lead and long leader, almost 3 feet leader, and on a single hook this soft plastic lure. Sometimes for perch works only this rig. Oh, here's the fish. Right. Haha. Not bad perch. Not bad at all. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful perch. Look at this fish. Wow. All right, here's something bigger. Nice, nice. Wow, zander. So guys, looks like not only perch but also zander likes this lure. Amazing, small fish, but great. Alright, not the biggest one, but beautiful perch on driftfry. Amazing catch. Look, this lure works even if it lost its tail, without tail. Just because of this lip, it still has a rolling action, still attracts fish. Amazing! I just got a few fish, some zanders and a few perches on the on the lure without the tail. Amazing! Oh. So even after losing its tail, this lure didn't stop to bring me fish. So it's amazing work. Keep working on it, guys from Jackall. You do a great job. I just discovered very small part of a river during a couple of hours. So because the weather is getting worse and it starts a little bit to rain, I will find the best rigs for lake fishing with this drift fry lure the next time. So consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Oleg, I'm a fishing guide and expert from Prague, Czech Republic, and see you soon. God bless you.